So here is the final stage of this ebook creation guide and monetization. This course you have been watching for long. I've taught you how to create ebook cover photo. I've also taught you how to generate content ideas or limited ways to do that. I've also taught you the best platforms to list your ebooks, and not only that, how to run ads on WhatsApp and also how to run ads on TikTok as well, and the organic ways to also generate customers or leads for yourself. Now, here is the last part of this ebook creation guide and monetization. In this video, you're going to now know how to monetize your ebooks and also how to sell. Although I've also told you or taught you how to sell as well, but let me also elaborate it again. You know, you have finished creating your ebooks and you have documented it, right? If you don't sell, you will not make money. Selling matters a lot, both online and offline. It's not just creating that idea or turning that idea into a digital product or ebook. If you don't sell, you will not make money from it. Okay, now how do you sell? Before you think of selling, you must generate customers, which is lead or prospect. You can remember how I taught you on how to generate leads or how to get customers. I believe you can still record a video. If you miss all these things, the playlist link is in video descriptions as well. You can get them, or you can also get them at the end of this video. So now, how do you monetize this your ebook? Remember, you need to sell. Yes, if you don't sell, you will not make any money at all, because it's on selling that customers will pay you and you give them your ebook. If you don't do that, no money for you. So I don't really have much to say. You must sell. I'll show you how to close those leads. I'll show you how to get the customers, the paid ads, and the organic ways of doing that. I believe I've tried for you. So now that you have learned all these things, please go ahead and implement it. Like, go ahead and start processing it. It will help you a lot. Okay, it's what helps others. Many people have sold a lot of ebooks, even myself as well. So that's why I create this guide that will show you exact ways to do it. So congratulations for finishing this course, and thank me later. Also drop your question if you have in the comment sections as well. I'll be so happy to create another video or answer you with text. Also make sure that you join our Telegram community to avoid mistakes, or to also hold you by your hands, or to help you to monetization. Okay, it's very important. It's a global community, Louis Chuku Academy, so join as well to avoid mistakes. I myself will be glad to see you on top as well. Drop your question in comment section and click subscribe.